Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today we are exploring two methods to install drivers on your HP laptops. In the method 1, first I will show you that how we can install drivers for my laptop using Windows Update. In your start menu, please type Windows Update. Once you have typed Windows Update, please go to Windows Update settings. Okay, here we can go to check for updates and our HP laptop will start checking for the updates. So please note that the Windows Update can install basic drivers. However, it often misses specialized drivers needed for certain hardwares, which can affect your laptop performance. So now it's checking, it's installing some of the updates, but here I cannot see any driver updates. The second method I want to show you for your HP laptops, just go to any browser you have in your computer, just go there and please type HP drivers download. Press enter and please open HP drivers download the first link. This link will take you here, right? I will add this link in the video description, so don't worry about this. Let's accept all cookies. Once you are at this page, please go to laptop because here we need drivers for our laptop. Now we have an option that welcome to HP software and drivers. Let's identify your laptop. So here this website could automatically detect my HP model and this could install drivers automatically. The second method here, if your device will not get detected during this process, you could use the second method to enter a serial number here. So let's go to the first method. We want our laptop to get detected from this website. So HP web product detection is starting up. You will be given 2 to 3 prompts in a separate window. You must choose the open or OK option to continue forward. That's fine. Okay. You only need to do this once to guarantee a faster support experience at any time. Let's go ahead and by choosing install, I agree. Let's start it. And now let's go ahead and save this download file to our computer. Let's go ahead and open file. Yes, we allow this app to make changes in our device. Okay, next, I agree. Let's go ahead and click on install. Okay, now I can see the installation is completed. Let's go ahead and see in control panel. Yeah, this is installed. Okay, this is the first way to confirm HP Support Solutions framework installation. And second method, if you want to confirm, go to C drive, go to program files, and go to HP. We can confirm that HP Support framework is installed in our computer. And now, if we got update for any driver, the driver will get updated automatically. So as this is a framework, that's why it has limited feature and we cannot open this application to see it how it looks. So this works in background. That's it about today's simple tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.